Hey, marine as an industry is adopting new technologies all the years, but it's all about directions. We have a direction for better efficiency, direction for fuel reduction, direction for new modern fuels. We have a direction for emission reduction. We have direction for electrifying marine vessels. IMO set regulation from emission control areas to zero net greenhouse gas emission for international shipping. That is setting trends. It's more like a mega trend. It is a strategy for fuel transition from heavy fuel oil, clean diesel, even more clean LNG gas, even biogases. In the future, it might be ammonia and pure hydrogen, but all the same time utilizing pure electric on board. All this is accelerating all vessel types to utilize new technology like electric propulsion, hybrid propulsion, all electric propulsion, fuel cells, energy storage systems, and shaft generators. But also all auxiliary equipments are better by efficiency with new technology. And on shore side, there we have shore supplies, chargers to provide electric pure energy for the vessels. This is our business landscape in marine. Thank you.